Hello, it's Friday the 24th of January 2025. It's 9:12 a.m. and we currently have Storm Éowyn over us. Apologies for a previous video when I thought that was Storm Éowyn. That actually wasn't. That was just an average little windstorm. But this is, and this is probably one of the worst storms we've seen in history. I'm sure you've probably heard all over the news. Pressure on this storm is down to 936 millibars, and winds were, or still are, packing a punch of up to 130 miles an hour in part of Ireland and western Scotland. Here, the worst of the storm seems to have eased. However, we do still have some strong gusts up to about 30 to 35 miles an hour, but my heart goes out to all those affected up in Ireland, Northern England and Scotland, where gusts are still in excess of 90 to 100 miles an hour, with average wind speeds of about 60 to 70. So this is the situation here currently. You can see the sun there's trying to poke through the clouds, however it's a bit thick for it to do so. And yeah, so that's it. I'll pick up videoing again when we have more severe weather, which will probably be Sunday. And that's it. Bye for now.